get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. This is super cool, guys. And if you like, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you to get a War Robots mod menu with a ton of features. So you got unlimited resources, unlock all missiles, unlock all robots. So I'm going to show you guys right here. If we turn on unlimited resources, I'm going to press activate and let's see what happens. Nothing happened. This is a scam, guys. It does not work. What the heck? I wish it worked. Maybe it will work. Whoa. Oh my god. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how this actually works, guys. It's super insane. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you exactly to get this modded version of War Robots, which is super cool, as you can see, guys. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to this website. So the website we're going to go to is called ZooMods. So we just go ahead and type it in right here. So zoomods.com, alright? So zoomod. So once you get over to this site, guys, I want you to go to the search bar. And then we're just going to go ahead and type in War Robots, and it should come right up. So be sure to try this one out for yourself and get the word out. It actually works, guys. It's super insane. And War Robots is a super expensive game, guys, so it's not worth trying. So yeah, super insane, guys. I'm going to type in War Robots right here, and you guys will see the pricing. So as you can see, guys, it's super expensive. So I'm going to go to in-app purchases, and look at that, guys. So don't get involved in this. It sucks. It's not worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try this out. Remember, guys, all you got to do is go to ZooMods. I mean, this is insane, bro. It actually works. So I'm loving the War Robots lifestyle. You know how it is, getting all that money, feeling rich. Super cool. So yeah, it's super insane, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. Get the word out. It actually works, guys. You literally just have to go to ZooMods and type in War Robots, and you're going to be all set, guys. So I hope you liked my video. Have a lot of fun with the War Robots cheat. So yeah, this actually works, guys. Super cool. If this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and get the word out, because I'm not really finding a ton of War Robots modded versions at the moment, so I've really enjoyed this one. So I hope you guys liked my video. Try it out, and see you guys later. Have a lot of fun with this tutorial. It's super insane, guys. No jailbreaking. I'm going to see you guys later. Have a lot of fun with this method. It's super insane, guys. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, super cool, guys. Have fun.